Welcome to today's guide on smart saving strategies, designed to help you build wealth effortlessly. Save what you have, invest what you hope for, save what you must. Strategies to accumulate wealth through disciplined savings practices. Saving strategies are methods designed to accumulate surplus funds over time. Total wealth equals current annual savings multiplied by the number of years in a career. First, one must identify all monthly expenses from utility bills to dining out. Then, create a surplus by deducting necessary expenses from total monthly income. Next, allocate a fixed percentage of that surplus toward emergency funds or goals. Finally, automate transfers to investment accounts to ensure consistent contributions. The average person can increase their lifetime savings by 3 times just by saving 12% of income. Saving 15% of income yields a lifetime total that is $235,732 higher than saving 10%. A lifetime total of 10% savings results in $877,000 when the time period extends to 40 years. A lifetime total of 20% savings results in $1 million over a 50-year time frame. Saving 12% of income produces a lifetime total that is $235,732 less than saving 10%. There are 5 core components of any effective saving strategy system. A person saving 15% of income ends up $195,000 richer over a lifetime than one saving 10%. Simulated neural networks show how small daily increases compound into massive future totals. A person who saves 20% of income accumulates $1 million over 50 years. Saving buckets overlap to show that early habits compound interest into huge final amounts. The system repeats monthly contributions until the target financial goal is reached. The American family saved 10% of income in 1972. While the average person saves 12% today. Interactive simulations display how early starting age impacts total savings accumulation rates. Money packets pile up into a growing vault as time passes on a clock face. Compound interest functions like a ball rolling down a ramp with increasing speed each lap. Income brackets determine the highest savings percentage achievable for high earners. Monthly contributions transform into millions of dollars through exponential compounding growth. If you found this useful, please like, share, and